How to create AI talking videos in Captions. Now, creating AI talking videos, which is avatar talking videos on Captions, actually it's not possible through the Captions app, but you can use web version of Captions. To do that, as you can see at the top, it says you can go to desktop.captions.ai. So what you want to do is simply open your browser and go to desktop.captions.ai. Now, unfortunately though, when we are here, it might say browser not supported. In that case, just enable desktop site for your browser by tapping the three dots icon of your browser and scrolling down and looking for the option called desktop site in this case and just checking it out. Now, when you enable desktop site, finally you will have all of these options right here. You might also want to log into your account. Now, if you look towards the top left hand side, you can see various options. Just look for this avatar like icon at the second option right there, and when we do that, we will be taken to the avatar generation page. Over here it says the easiest way to generate talking videos. So what you can do is you can simply type in a prompt, and within this prompt you can simply generate a avatar. So you can ask what kind of person is speaking and talking, and you can also add in a script that you might want. And once you've done that, you can just hit on this arrow button right here to generate your changes. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then create AI talking videos in Captions. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.